Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by opening settings immediately. Press Windows key plus I. Once done, go to Personalization then Background. You need a saved image file in an accessible folder. Use Pictures or Desktop for speed. Make sure your display drivers are not updating and close programs that lock files. This first step ensures Windows can access the image and that changes apply cleanly. While you're here, switch the background drop-down to Picture so Windows uses your chosen file rather than a slideshow or color. Now focus on selecting and fitting the image. Click Browse and navigate to the folder where the picture is stored, then select Open. Windows will preview it instantly. Next, choose the appropriate fit option, fill for full screen crops, fit to keep aspect ratio, center to avoid scaling. Make sure the resolution matches your display or choose Fill to avoid black bars. If text or icons become hard to read, adjust contrast or select a darker image to improve clarity and legibility. Finish by confirming the change in settings and closing the window so Windows commits the selection. If the desktop reverts later, make sure no third-party wallpaper manager or company group policy is overriding your choice. Check Task Manager for background apps. When the wallpaper fails to update, restart Windows Explorer. Open Task Manager, find Windows Explorer, right-click Restart. If that still fails, reboot the laptop and verify the image file remains in place. Moving or deleting it will cause Windows to revert to default.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.